Ayan, so we are back. Dun pala sa ano. Okay, so sorry for the interruption. Nagkaroon na we have problems in our internet connection. So I just restart my ano na, my router. Okay? So going back, wait. Okay, you don't need na to say present because andun na sa yung unang video, okay? So nothing to worry kasi nga nag-attendance rin naman ako. I already check it. Sir, hindi maka-attend si Andre. Yun nga, hindi nga siya maka-attend, alam ko yan. Okay, again, no need to say present because I already checked your attendance kanina. Sige, let's continue. Ano to? Okay. Sana nga tayo. Okay, so again, what is this ano talaga? Computer engineering. So, computing engineering study the design of digital hardware and software systems, including communication systems, computers, and devices that contain computers. So, the computer engineering programming is focused on digital devices and their interfaces with users and other devices. Sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? Then, an important area within computing engineering is the development of embedded systems. So, itong embedded systems, ito na yung magamit ng mga device. So, actually, these embedded systems, may subject kayo nito near higher years. I think it's third year. Device such as cell phones, digital audio players, digital video recorders, alarm systems, so X-ray machines, and laser surgical tools are require integration of hardware and embedded software and are all the results of computer engineering. So another example for this, kasi since we have this embedded system kasi na subject sa, I think third year ata yun. So pag ano natin, so, meron ding iba na mga students na IT natin na somehow it's like they are computer engineering because naga-involve magod sila o sa ilang capstone. When we say capstone, this is the thesis, no? So they are involving na this how we call this one, the hardware, no? Example, ang mga capstone is that you i-test ang quality ng tubig, no? Kung tama bang quality sa tubig. So, of course, they will be using the device, no? Then, also as software, kasi doon sa software, doon man nakita ang data to analyze, no? So, so ilagay ang hardware doon sa tubig, then i-analyze no, sa ilang software naghihimo, is it okay ba sa ano, or is this the reason that the Vanami are dying because of the, how we call it, our weather today, full summer, so ganun. So yun yung another example for the capstone na mahimo sa embedded system. So again, and computer engineering's majors are offered by a fairly large number of universities, almost always within engineering. This major requires significant study of mathematics. Ayun. So ito yung deeply a little bit ano din uh, uh, description of what is computer engineering, okay? So again, if with this description, are you willing to transfer ba? So, no? I mean, mag-shift ba mo? So, for now lang, kasi computer engineering is not offered sa ato university. Maybe the soonest, no? Okay. Next. Ito, computer science. So, ano ba 'tong computer science? So, spans the range from theory through programming to cutting-edge development of computing solutions. Ito pala sila, 'no? So, offers a foundations that permits graduates to adapt to new technologies and new ideas. The work of computer scientists falls into three categories. So, designing and building software. Second, developing effective ways to solve computing problems such as storing information in databases, sending data over networks, or providing new approaches to security problems. And devising new and better ways of using computers and addressing particular challenges in areas such as robotics, computer vision, or digital forensics. Although these specializations are not available in all computer science programs. Ayun. And most computer science programs require some mathematical background. So, math na pod. Well, anyways, when you come to ano talaga, lahat naman talaga may math. Yes, na naga-present panggapon mo sa anyways. So, mo ni siya ang computer science and what are the career paths now when you took this major or this discipline, which is the computer science? So, we have here at least four. So, career path number one, designing and implementing software. This refers to the work of software development, which has grown to include aspects of web development, interface design, security issues, mobile computing, and so on. This is the career path that the majority of computer science graduates follow. Okay? Then, ang career opportunities occur in a wide variety of settings, including large or small companies, large or small computer services companies, and a large organization of all kind, industry, government, banking, healthcare, etc. So another career path is devising a new ways to use computers. This refers to innovation in the application of computer technology. So a career path in this area can involve advanced graduate work, followed by a position in a research university or industrial research and development laboratory. It can involve entrepreneurial activities such as was evident during the dot-com boom of the 1990s, or it can involve a combination of the two. Third, developing effective ways to solve computing problems. So this refers to the application or development of computer science theory and knowledge of algorithms to ensure the best possible solution for computationally intensive problems. So as a practical matter, a career path in the development of new computer science theory typically requires graduate work to PhD level as followed by a position in a research university or an industrial research and development laboratory. And lastly, the career path that computer science is a planning and managing organizational technological infrastructures. So this is a type of work for which the new information technology IT programs explicitly aim to educate students. So again, we have four computer science career paths. We have the designing and implementing software, devising new ways to use computers, developing effective ways to solve computing problems, and planning and managing organizational technology infrastructure. Okay? If you have questions, so later you may ask. So we are done with computer engineering and computer science. Now let's go with information systems. So what is this information systems? Concerned with the information that computer systems can provide to aid a company, nonprofit, or governmental organization in defending and achieving its goals. It is also concerned with the process that an enterprise can implement and improve using information technology. So in short, si IS, nagtatabang jud siya sa company 'no, kaya sabi niya kanina it's more on, business related. So with the use of the IS, I think, so ma-achieve ang, goal sa isa ka specific company 'no, with their ideas, with ang brighter ideas jud. So mo na it is, IS professionals must understand both technical and organizational factors and must be able to help an organization determine how information and technology enable business processes can provide a foundation for superior organizational performance. They serve as a bridge between the technical and management communities with an organization. Okay. And a majority of IS programs are located in business schools. However, they may have different themes such as management information systems, computer information systems, or business information systems. So, all IS degrees combine business and computing topics, but the emphasis between technical and organizational issues varies among programs. For example, programs differ substantially in the amount of programming required. So, mo na siya ang IS. So, si IS jud is a big help when it comes to business, particularly in business or pwede po sa school, of course. Uh, is school a business? My question is, do you have your paper or pen? Okay, so since it was said here, for example, programs, so I would like to know if kasi ang IS is focused siya, ano siya, no, business. Then it says here that ano daw ang school, also ang school. Now my question is a school is a also, uh, can we call it also a business? Ang school. So just write it yes or no in your paper, ha? Okay, next. Again, isulat sa inyong papel, dili mag-comment diyan sa no, 'di ba gipa-prepare man ta mo sa pen o paper. Okay, next is, um, ito. We have the IT or the Information Technology discipline. Okay? So, IT is often used to refer to all computing. As a name of an undergraduate degree program, it refers to the preparation of students to meet the computer technology needs of business, government, healthcare, schools, and other kinds of organizations. So, IT is very useful talaga sa lahat, no? Sa even sa business, government. So, but I think this time there are no businesses na without an IT professional. So IT professional possess the right combination of knowledge and practical hands-on expertise to take care of both on our organizations, information technology infrastructure, and the people who use it. So they assume responsibility for selecting hardware and software products appropriate for organizations. So kita IT, kita dyan ang shall we say, murang big knowledge when it comes to selecting mga hardware and software products na ginabaligya sa ginapalit sa atong company. They integrate those products with organizational needs and infrastructures and install, customize, and maintain those applications, thereby providing a secure and effective environment that supports the activities of the organization's computers users. In IT, programming often involves writing short programs that typically connect existing components scripting. So of course, we are IT also nag-ano siya. Yeah. We do software, so we know programming. Planning and managing an organization's IT infrastructure is a difficult and complex job that requires a solid foundation in applied computing as well as management and people skills. So, important software systems concerns such as reliability, nabulol hinog ko. Reliability, security, usability. So, kung reliability is reliable ba na ang gihimo na software na sa isa ka IT. Then, ang security and ang usability, is it useful ba yun siya sa company? Gamit ba yun na siya kanang gihimo nato na software sa company? And effectiveness and efficiency for their intended purpose. All of these concerns are vital. Okay, so I just want to clarify that uh, any important software system concerns, mao pud ni paghimo nato sa capstone. Labi na sa inyo haday, no? So, isa ni siya, I think, these are one of the possible na ginatanaw po ang reliability, security, and usability, and effectiveness and efficiency. So, ang usability, gamit pa din siya ang himo ninyo na capstone sa target ninyo na company. Then, how effective ba kung magamit niyo siya? So, kung effective or efficiency, so pasabot, pag gamiton niyo siya na software na inyong gihimo, so mas napadali lang ang trabaho. Tas ang number one dyan na is dako ang kita ba sa company yung gi-applyan, gano'n. Ana magud ka sa ato sir if na-prepare ba, nag-prepare and then mao ana. Oo. Sorry, sorry. Sorry Jess, mao dayto imong gitubag. Okay, okay. Sige, just write it na lang sa papel 'to, pen and paper ninyo. Dito day ka nitubag abi ko sa ano. Okay, I got it. Okay, I hope you understand if, 'pag talagang matapos kayo kung ano talagang work ng IT, 'no. So, mali siyang IT. Now, next is the software engineering. So, software engineering concerned with developing and maintaining software system that behave reliably and efficiently, are affordable to develop and maintain, and satisfy all the requirements that customers have defined for them. It is important because of the impact of large, expensive software systems and the role of software in safety critical applications. It integrates significant mathematics, computer science, and practices whose origins are in engineering. So, mo siyang work sa software engineering. So also software engineering focuses on software development and goes beyond programming to include such things as eliciting customers' requirements and designing and testing software. So the SE students learned how to assess customer needs and develop usable software that meets those needs. Again, so ang target sa ato sa software na discipline is students learn how to assess customers' needs and develop usable software that meets those needs. So, anyways, ganun din naman sa inyong capstone, no? So, you will be assessing the customer needs, and after the assessment, after sa if nagkaroon kayo ng survey, di ba? Ayun, you will develop now the software that they are that will fit to the needs of the user. Okay? So, model ni siya ang software engineering. Now, again, so what are those mixed disciplinary majors? Now, so we are done with, I just want to, rewind. So we have this, computer engineering, computer science, the IS, the IT, and the software engineering. So, unsay possible na mixed disciplinary majors. So natay ginatawag na bioinformatics. Combines elements from at least biology, biochemistry, and computer science, and prepares students for careers in the biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries or for graduate schools in informatics. Next, computational science means science done computationally and serve as a bridge between computing technology and basic sciences. Second, computer science and mathematics. combines computer science with mathematics, of course. And gaming and animations, students interested in creating computer games and computer animations are being developed to a number of schools, work with either or both of art and digital media studies. Ayun, kung sino yung, ano dito, no? Yung may talent sa drawing, so maybe this one, makuha mo, expert mo sa multimedia. Then we have BS Medical or Health Informatics, students interested in students who want to work in a medical environment. So some students will work as technology experts for hospitals, some in public health, some students may be prim or pre-dental. Okay? So those are the examples of mixed disciplinary majors. So asa man ka pwede diri, no? Ako pwede ra ko diri sa gaming and animations. Okay? Uh, now, the information technology discipline. So the role. So let's focus now since we are IT man. So I hope you get the five, no, those five um disciplines, including those the last one is the mix. So since you are enrolled to IT, so let's focus mainly sa IT na discipline. So the role of IT within the computing disciplines. So the emergence of IT disciplines was based on the increased importance and global reach of computing technology in all aspects of today's society. Youngest among the current five computing disciplines. So mao daw na ang IT. Born in 2008 with the release of the first ACM IEE CS report on the curriculum guidelines for the baccalaureate programs. Since then, it has undergone series of revisions and updates. So natay CS from 2001, IS 202, and so on and so forth. So this one, timeline of the recent and baccalaureate computing curricula reports. So the role of IT within the computing disciplines also include as computing field continues advanced ACM along with leading professional and scientific computing societies will continue to align curriculum recommendations of existing disciplines. New computing disciplines such as data science and cybersecurity. Developing curriculum guidelines poses multiple challenges, such as rapid technological advances in computing, emergence of new computing areas of study, persisting skill gap between employers' expectations and graduate preparations, continuing participation of women and other underrepresented groups in IT programs and careers, limiting the size of realistic and implementable curriculum, increased variety of careers in IT, evolving professional practices, and differentiating the information technology from other computing disciplines. Okay, hope then tag time. So, we still have scheduled this afternoon, no? At around 3 to 4. So again sa that like what I've said will be ano talaga ato sa garod karon ng week kasi maghabol man gud ta sa ato ano no sa atong schedule. Okay, it's already 9 so we will continue na at 3 p.m. Okay? Kuha ba yan? So for now, uh yeah. See you this afternoon. Bye for now. Because I still have class in my second year, okay? So, please, taguan lang ta iyong papel ha, tago, 'cause mag-continue ta mamaya.